Hi everyone, here we are at Incom talking about one of our popular placard holder styles. This one's in white, very common for people who are using them on highway trailers where the background is white and they want something that blends in with the background a little more, makes the vehicle look a little bit nicer. Some of the product features of our aluminum placard holder is that this one's all built with aluminum base plate, aluminum face plate. We have stainless steel clips for longevity. And then some of the other features is we also put ribbing into the sides as well as into the cross braces here. That gives the placard holder a little more rigidity, makes it a little stronger in your application. We also put these bumps or these raised areas, and what those allow for is that when you put a placard in there after it's been traveling on the side of the truck in snow and ice and that kind of thing, you can kind of bang it a bit. It's going to make it so it doesn't stick to the back of the placard quite as much because there's a little bit of airspace in there. And then when you go to remove it, you can see we've added these two buttons here. And these two buttons act as a ramp. So they actually push the placard up and over this low profile stainless steel clip so the placard doesn't get caught in there, and makes it much easier to remove placards and insert them in the field. So that's our standard white aluminum placard holder. If you guys have any questions or you want to hear about more of our product, please reach out to us here at Incom. Thank you very much.